In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Swagbucks to your bank account. Whether you're looking to make the most out of your online earnings or simply cash in on those hard-earned Swagbucks, transferring your funds to a bank account is both simple and straightforward. Just sit back, relax, and follow along as we walk through each step. First, let's navigate to the Swagbucks website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in swagbucks.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, sign in to your account if you're not already logged in. This will ensure you have access to your rewards and funds. Once signed in, take a moment to look around if you're not familiar with the site. Understanding the layout can be really useful. Now, on the top menu bar, you'll want to look for the More option. It can usually be found next to some of the main menu items like Shop and Play. Click on More to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find many options, but our focus today is on Redeem Rewards. Give that a click. This will take you to the Rewards section where you can select how you want to redeem your Swagbucks points, commonly known as SB. Scroll through the list of available options until you spot PayPal. Once you've located it, click on it. PayPal is a great choice because it's widely used and allows you to transfer money directly to your bank account. Once you've clicked on PayPal, you'll see an option to select the amount you wish to redeem. Decide on the amount that suits your goals or needs and then go ahead and click Redeem. Now, if it's your first time transferring money through PayPal from Swagbucks, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. This step is crucial as it links your Swagbucks account with PayPal, enabling you to move forward with the transfer of funds. If prompted, enter your PayPal credentials and log in. If it's already linked, you may skip this step. After logging in, direct your attention to the transfer or wallet option within PayPal. Click on this as it will allow you to manage your funds. From here, you'll select Transfer to your bank. Now comes the time to select which bank account you want to transfer your funds to. Make sure it's one that you actively use and have already linked to PayPal. Enter the specific amount you wish to transfer, ensuring it's within your available balance. Finally, after entering the amount, it's time to confirm the transfer. Double-check all the details you've entered to avoid any errors. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, go ahead and click Confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from your Swagbucks account to your bank account via PayPal. Congratulations on taking control of your online earnings. That wraps up our guide for today. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching.